Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to reset forgotten password on Pizza Hut app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop at Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to reset forgotten password on Pizza Hut app. We'll start up you opening up your Pizza Hut on your phone. So once you open up your Pizza Hut, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look on where it says forgot password. Make sure to tap on there where it says forgot password right there, as you guys can see. Tap on that. Then make sure you put the correct email right there, and make sure you tap on where it says submit. So tap on submit right there. And then they say like check your email for interaction. And that's how you reset forgot password on Pizza Hut app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription try, as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.